Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, SAP EWM Vlogs. This is Banu Teja. I am back with a new important topic, that is cross docking in SAP EWM. So, before going to the configuration process, I want to explain the basic information about this topic. See, cross-docking is nothing but generally coming to the business scenario. Uh, Whenever the customer orders some laptops or any other electronic devices, gadgets, or other materials, okay, in daily needs. So, according to this requirement, the company will raise the purchase order, and according to that order, the vendor supplies the materials through his truck to our warehouse. So here, without storing this material in our warehouse, directly we will uh, transport the materials ordered by the customer to the customer order van. Okay, I mean the customer sales truck. Okay, so example, I will show you one of the Excel document. Okay, simply I will show you the diagram. Okay, simply I will show you the diagram. You can understand it very easily. See here, for example, customer has ordered some laptops. Okay, so according to that, the company has created the purchase order. So this purchase order is given to the vendor, so and so vendor. So the vendor will supply the number of laptops which is ordered by the organization. So as soon as supplier truck arrives to the inbound door, directly this stock has been transferred to the outbound door, where this stock has been sold to the customer. Okay, so we will transport this stock, how many laptops which is ordered by the customer, from inbound staging area, I mean GR staging area, to goose issue staging area, where the docking of the customer van or customer truck is being ready to deliver the stock to the customer. Okay, you can see the diagram, so you can easily understand. Okay, so here you can see the process flow in SAP EWM. So here you can see the flow. Okay, the purchase order has been created, so inbound delivery has been uh, created. Okay, so here the van will come to the inbound door, and here the materials have been unloaded into the goods receipt area, I mean GR staging area. So here the cross docking will be takes place. Certain was it truck, that means warehouse truck, will take the stock from the GR staging area, and here the warehouse task will be executed. Okay, so whatever the task will be executed by the warehouse person. Okay, where the task is assigned to him, so he will unload the material. I mean, he will get the material from the GR staging area, to GR staging area. There the loading will be done by another person. That is another warehouse task, and the goods issue will be done. Hence, the process will be completed. Okay. So now let us see the configuration in SAP EWM. Okay. So let's go into the SAP, log into the SAP server. So here, execute the path SPRO. SPRO is nothing but SAP project reference object, and press enter. Here, just click on SAP reference IMG. IMG represents implementation guide. Click on this. So first step is here you can see SCM Extended Warehouse Management. So here click on this drop down, and here click on Extended Warehouse Management. Click on the drop down again, and here first of all we have to activate the baddie. business add-ins for extended warehouse management. Okay, so here click on this drop down, and here you can see cross process settings. Okay, so click on this and also click on cross talking. Here you can see the two options. One is planned cross talking and another one is opportunistic cross talking. So select the second option, and here you can see EWM triggered opportunistic cross talking. Again, click on stop down, and here you are having the two options here: EWM triggered opportunistic cross talking and EWM triggered opportunistic cross talking outbound, inbound, and outbound. Okay, so click on this one, click on this option. Baddie for activate and exist inbound triggered cross talking process. So here this checkbox should be activated. Okay, previously will be empty, but so here we have to activate this. Okay, now I click on activating, just continue. Similarly, here we have to click on this drop down, and here we have to click on this baddie for activate and adjust outbound triggered cross talking process. So click on this. So here also the checkbox should be tick marked. Okay, it should be ticked, should not be empty. Okay, so now we have completed the first step. Now the second step is go to the SAM basis, and here go to master data, and here go to the product. So here we have to configure the product groups. Okay, one is product group type, define product group types. So here we have already defined the two inputs here. One is, if you click on the new entries, we have to, if you click on new entries, we have to make the new product group type CI. That means cross-dock inbound and cross-dock outbound, and you have to save it. So already we have done this activity. You can see here the cross-docking for inbound and cross-docking for the outbound. Okay, so save it and click on back. Now another step is define product groups. Okay, so product group is already we have created one. 1 minute. Yes, this one. TI and CO. Cross-docking inbound and cross-docking outbound. Okay, we have created the product group types and product groups and save it. So if you want to create a new one, you can click on new entries and you have to maintain these entries for inbound and outbound as usually I have done before. Okay, so I'm showing the whatever the configuration I have done before. So these are the two steps I have created. One is for inbound and the other one is for outbound. Okay, and click on save and come back. Okay, so this is the second step. Now proceed to the cross process settings. So here we have to make the stock determination. Okay, so click on maintain stock determination groups. So here I have maintained here for our warehouse is MEWH, and the stock determination group is CD, and there is a description, and warehouse management handling is as priority 1. Okay, so this I have maintained by clicking on new entries. So I have maintained MEWH and I have maintained CD, and I maintained the description, and I maintained the priority. This is a step we have to maintain. Okay, so you can give your own code here. You can give your own code and your own description, but already have done this step. Okay, so this is a step I have created, and save it and come back. Now configure the stock determination. Okay, so here So here I have maintained here. For cost stocking, I have maintained the warehouse. The new entries as MEWH, Mega. We have to maintain party entitled to dispose and activity to speak, and stock determination group already we have defined before, that is CD, and sequence is 1, and stock attribute is stock type. Okay, inbound is F2 and permitted is F1. Okay, so description will come automatically, and the description of warehouse is Mega Central Warehouse. Okay, and now save it, this one. Okay, and come back. Now here another step is cross docking. Here we are selecting opportunistic cross docking, and here you have to select the step EWM triggered opportunistic cross docking and activate EWM triggered cross docking. Okay, we have to activate this. See here. To click on position, center your warehouse, press enter. So here I enter my product group type, that is inbound. If you click on F1, you can see here the information. Product group type for activating of inbound opportunistic cross docking. So this is inbound and this is outbound. If you click on F1, you can see here product group type for activating outbound cross docking. Okay, you have to maintain these entries and save it, come back. Okay, so now another step is see, we have maintained all the steps. Okay, so we have maintained all the steps, and so now we create one of the material master. Okay, one of the material for cross docking. So example, uh, already I created one of the material. You click on MM60, I enter my plant for Hyderabad, Mega Hyderabad plant, execute. So here I have maintained these materials. Okay, cross docking mat 1 and mat 2. So if I also have extended to the material to extended warehouse management as a product master record. I also extended this material to the product master //scwm slash 1. Okay, the center. So here I enter this material code cross tag. Control C, click on Control C and copy this, paste it here, and enter the warehouse code, press enter. It is not extended to the warehouse management server, so you have to click on create it. So as already I have created extended to the warehouse management, so I have click on change and I mention the information in warehouse data. Okay, okay, here what I maintained is see here in the stock removal I have maintained the stock determination group. So previously we have created, right? Previously we have configured the stock determination group. So here this is one I have to maintain. Okay, so we can also maintain the put away control and the stock removal activity. The last configuration is that one only. So you have to maintain the stock removal strategies. This is very important for cross docking. Okay, if you go to this path as PROIMG and click on SCM extended warehouse management, click on extended warehouse management and click on goose issue process and strategies, and here specify storage type server sequence. Click on step and click on position. Here enter your warehouse, press enter. So we have maintained this one, uh, STSS for cross-docking. I maintained already. If you want to maintain new one, so click on new entries and you can maintain your entries here. So you can enter your warehouse number, you can enter your storage types per sequence, and you can enter the description. But already have maintained this one. Stock. Okay. So if you select this row and click on assign storage types to the storage types per sequence. So here I have mentioned my high rack storage types ME10, ME20, and 9010. I will explain you why I have maintained this one, these two storage types. Actually, you have to maintain 9010, but I will show you the difference why I have maintained it. Okay, save it and come back and click on this option, define stock removal control indicator, and already I maintained this one. Okay, cross-docking indicator for control indicator for cross-docking. If you click on new entries, you have to maintain this entry here. Indicator, controlling indicator for stock removal. Okay, we have to enter your warehouse and we have to enter the int, so 4-digit length code for the removal indicator and description. So already I have maintained. So just I'm giving the reference because it gives you some idea to make these configurations very easily. Okay, already I have created these entries MEWH CDPK. CDPK is nothing but cross-docking picking, control indicator for cross-docking, and save it. Maintain these entries and click on save and come back. Now the final step is determine storage type search sequence for stock removal. Execute. So here you have to click on new entries and you have to maintain this entry. Already I maintain this. To click on the new entries, you have to maintain these entries. You have to maintain the warehouse number and this the stock removal control indicator, and warehouse process type is 2010, and storage types or sequence is CDPK, and stock removal rule is first in first out. Okay, so if you click on new entries, you have to maintain this the entries which I have shown before. Okay, you have to maintain these entries. So this entries you have to maintain. Okay, already you know about warehouse process type. If before I have the previous sections I have discussed about this one. Warehouse process type is 2010 by default. Okay, this is a warehouse process type standard. Okay, destination storage type is 9020. Destination bin. And okay, let's save it. And we have to determine warehouse process type. The composition. Document type is check out. Okay, this one I have maintained this entry. Okay, now let us do the test case. Execute ME21N. First of all, we create the purchase order. Here we select the document type is NB standard PO. Supplier. Enter the vendor code. Press enter. In header area, we have to enter the organization data. So enter purchase organization MBPO. Purchasing group is MGP. GP. Mega purchasing group. And company code is Mega. Okay. So now here we have to enter the material cross dock mat. So how many material the customer is requiring, that you can give the order of that exact quantity or more than that quantity according to the requirement. Price is 100 I have taken the example of this material. So in real time, we have to mention the material like laptops or some other gadgets or any other material. Just for understanding purpose, I have taken the description as cross dock material, and we have to enter here the plant is MHY, press enter. So here enter the store location on receiving dock. Okay. So here, let us go to one of the Excel diagram. See, drawing one of the warehouse. Let's consider this a GI staging area. This is a this is a GR staging area, goose staging area. This is inbound doors. This is outbound doors. So let us consider these are hierarchs. Okay. Let us consider these are hierarchs. Okay. Yeah. Now this is let's consider this as GR staging area. GR staging area. Okay. Mention this name. Mention this name as GR staging area. So the warehouse process type is 0, 0. This is 9. This is the warehouse doors comes under 030 storage type, and GR staging area will come on 9010 storage type. Inbound door, mean IBD door 1. IBD door staging area. Storage types ME10 and ME20, and this is a GI staging area. Means goose issue staging area. Simply I'm writing as GI staging area. Okay. This comes under 9020. Outbound doors is outbound door 1, outbound door 2 comes under the storage type is 9040. Okay. Yeah. So now I created the purchase order. Click on save it. So purchase order has been created successfully. So copy this number. Now we create a inbound delivery. Execute VA31N. Here, so you mention the external ID, deliver date, center. Okay. Here, we are receiving the 10 quantity and save it. Item category is ELN. Okay. So inbound delivery was saved and distributed to the warehouse management system. Okay. Copy this. Now we have done duty up to the ERP. That means ERP server. Now we will work on EWM. Okay. We work on have to make warehouse activity, warehouse task, warehouse order, warehouse request, everything in EWM. Okay. Have to maintain warehouse activities in EWM server. So execute this transaction code //SEWM/PRDA to execute inbound delivery in EWM. Press enter. Now here enter this outbound delivery number. Sorry, inbound delivery number. Okay. So execute. Okay. So now here, so here we have to click on unload. Okay. And click on Ghost Receipt. So now Ghost Receipt is created, right? Now let us go to the inbound delivery and click on follow on functions, click on warehouse task. Let us see from where material is going. If you click on create here, warehouse request, see here. So if you want to store in the, okay, if you want to store in the hierarchs, directly you can move to the hierarchs. Now I'm not moving to the hierarchs. Just I am remaining this material, just I am receiving this material in GR staging area, but I am not moving to this here. Okay. I don't want to execute the warehouse. I don't want to make put away. I want to directly send to the, where, which location? Directly to the GR staging area. Okay. So here, uh, we don't need to execute the put away. Come back. No. Just now stock has arrived. The material is arrived to the GR staging area. For example, now I have received the material of cross dock. Okay. Cross dock. Cross dock. Okay. So I have received this material from inbound door to GR staging area. Now the material has been stored here. Now I don't want to make put away. I don't want to store in this hierarchs. Directly I want to make sale order and I have to deliver this material to the customer. Okay. The customer has ordered this customer A. Some okay. Some customer A has ordered this material. So I have got the delivery from the vendor and I'm directly sending this material to the GI staging area. Okay. For that, we have to create the sale order. For that, we have to create the sale order now. Okay. So get the notepad. So there is a inbound delivery. The material is stored 9010 GR staging area. Okay. GR staging area. Now we create the sale order. Okay. The transaction code for sale order is VA01. So enter the order type. I'm taking standard one. Or you have to enter the sales area. That means you have to enter sales organization, distribution channel, and division channel. Back. The sales organization, MSO, distribution channel MG, division is MG, center, ship to party. I'm taking mega customer. Okay, customer reference date. I'm taking today's date, 6. Okay, enter the payment terms. Pay immediately unit. Incoterms, cost right, as Vizag. Which material? I'm taking cost stock. This material. So much quantity? Want to take full quantity. Okay. So I will show you where the material is. If you go to monitor, okay, I'll show you in here also where the material is stored. Monitor, SAP, execute. So here, get into stock and bin, available stock. Here enter the material cost of mat and execute. See, we have received the material, this one, okay, cost of mat. Forgot about this one. Just we have received the material in GR staging area. Okay, 9010. Okay, now, so now, double click, navigate to the sales document screen, and here double click on the item. Here go to shipping tab, enter the plant is MEHY. Store location is AFS. Okay, shipping point MGSP. Conditions, you have to enter the price. Come back. Now anything pending? No, everything is okay. Now save it. See, the sale order has created. Okay, now we have to create outbound delivery with reference to the sales order. Transaction code is VL01N. Okay, enter the shipping point MGSP, selection date. Schedule line is not there. Enter 6 or 7. So now we have entered the deliver quantity as 10. And the item category comes under TAN. You go to the header area, go to administration. Deliver type is LF. This for inbound delivery, outbound delivery, deliver type for ERP is LF. Okay, and item category is TAN. Okay, now save it. Done. The outbound delivery is created and distributed to the warehouse management system. Okay, this is outbound delivery, OBD. So now ERP activity is done. Now we have to do the EWM activity. Execute outbound delivery for EWM side. PRDO. Press enter. Enter the outbound delivery number. Execute. Okay. Here now we have to do go to outbound delivery order. Click on following functions. Click on warehouse task and see here. So here in the warehouse request tab, you can see the warehouse request number, all the details. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Warehouse request, destination bin, warehouse process type, disposal party, stock type is F2, and quantity is 10 quantity. Now click on create warehouse task. See from where it is getting the material 9010. The stock removal strategy is, see, if you go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, I have maintained the stock removal strategies. See, go to MEWH. Okay. So here I mentioned ME10 and ME20 and 9010. Why it is taking only 9010? Because we have maintained the stock determination in the product master record. Okay. You go to this product master record, go to the new screen, and here execute slash and slash CWM slash mat1. So here enter the product number, warehouse number, party until row dispose, and click on change. And here go to the navigate to warehouse data, scroll down. Here you can see the stock determination group is CD. So I have maintained this entry in the product master record. So that's why it is taking the material from 9010. It is getting this material from 9010, but not from ME10, ME20 storage type. It is taking the material from cross docking because I maintained stock determination group as CD. Okay, that is the main reason. Hope you have understood. Now what I will do? Click on create and save it. So the warehouse task is created, warehouse order is created, confirm it. So let us see here from where to where. See here from 9010 the product is moved to the 9020, from GI zone to the GI zone. That means the cross directly it is moved to the here to 9020. In image also I showed it is moving from directly inbound door to the outbound door. Okay. So now what I will do, I will confirm this warehouse order. Okay, I'll confirm this warehouse order. To confirm and save directly, two tasks will be two activities will be done. If you click on confirm and save, that also can be done. So now the product has been reached to the 9020 location. Okay. So now come back. Come back. Now we have to do the loading. We have to load this material into this customer delivery truck. Okay. So loading is done in where? Here only. Outbound location. Now we have to do the goods issue. To clear the goods issue. Now let us check the monitor where the stock will exist. See, now it has went to the 9020, right? The time stock is moved from 9010. Okay. So now it is 9020. Now if I do the goods issue, what happens? So goods issue is also completed. Goods issue is also completed. Let us go to the warehouse monitor. Again refresh. There is no stock. Okay. So the goods issue has been done successfully. Now if you check in MB51, the entries will be created. Material documents will be created today. Sales order. Cross doc mat. Cross doc mat. Here enter the posting date. 6th. Execute. See here. 101 is for GR staging. GR goods shipped. 601 is for sale order. Outbound delivery. Goods issue. That's it. So this is about the cross docking process. Okay. That's it. So hope you have liked this video and you have enjoyed this video. So subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and your colleagues. Okay. And I will be back with another new video. Until see you, goodbye, have a nice day.